Nice to
Hello.
meet you. What's your name?
Abdul Subhan.
So, how you find Vishal Peripherals?
I went to the MSI's official website, so I was searching about the laptop. So I found the laptop which I want to buy. So I went to the buying section, and availability was only in the Vishal Peripherals store.
Okay, and
So I contacted the staff members and came here.
okay, how's your experience with staff?
The staff is very cooperative, and they helped me in buying the laptop, and they arranged a beautiful discount as well.
Okay,
Yeah.
and how's your experience in the store?
The range is very well, and the availability of the products is here.
Okay.
So you can buy anything you want. You can ask before coming. If the availability is there, you can come and check.
Okay, and how's the pricing and all?
The pricing is very less compared to online. They provide discounts as well.
Okay. Thank you very much for trusting Vishal and keep shopping with us.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you.